Good morning, Huskies. This morning, your teachers and I want to share our hopes and dreams for all of you. We often say that we're an academic first school. You hear it all the time. We hold high expectations for you here because we don't get to keep you here forever, and 4 years goes by so very quickly. Our push for academics first is because we want you to have all the tools and skills you need to be successful in your lives when you walk out of our doors. Sometimes it's easy to think that there's no one in your corner, and we want to make sure that you know that we're with you and we're rooting for you every step of the way. We want you to be equipped with the ability to see multiple perspectives, use your knowledge and your skills to go to the next level and challenge yourself, and to understand the role that you play in creating a positive change in our community, state, nation, and world. With that in mind, we would like you to take a moment to see what we see in you, what our hopes are for you, what our wishes are for you, and as you watch this, we hope that you know that we believe in you. Now enjoy.
Right when I wake up, I'm feeling way too much, hoping I can work my way around. Know I made mistakes, promises I break, but I'm just a man. Living's more than enough. I'm for battle and I never planned it. Don't wanna give it too much, 'cause whatever I give, more is taken. But I keep on living.
Today's Monday, March 9th. I am Elise, your lead anchor.
And I am Melissa, your co-anchor.
Just a friendly reminder that conferences are Wednesday, March 11th from 4 to 7:30 p.m. Conferences will be held in teachers' classrooms again this spring.
Hashtag My Freedom Day brings awareness to modern slavery. Today, 40 million people are trapped in slavery. March 11th is a day to share what freedom means to you. At lunch on March 11th, you can sign a piece of art and write what freedom means to you. You can also post about it on social media using the hashtag #MyFreedomDay. If you have questions, please ask Ms. Davison's Husky Time in room 1005.
Good luck to boys and girls track who are participating in their first meet this week.
Want to play tennis? Please see Coach Hargis to get signed up ASAP.
Congratulations to our Hoover drama students who competed in the IHSSA Individual Events District Contest. They took 22 performances, 18 of which earned 1 ratings and will move on to state this Saturday. Zoe Tenson, acting and literary program. Annika Baker, solo musical theater and storytelling. Juliana Munoz, solo musical theater and literary program. Ripley Miller, storytelling and after-dinner speaking. Samantha Thorpe, improvisation. Sheena Tran, acting and poetry. Aisha Assad, storytelling and prose. Sage Johnson, solo musical theater and literary program. Callie Garcia, poetry and public address. Lydia Woods, spontaneous speaking and prose. Lexi Smith, poetry. Hamida Mokhtar, prose and acting.
And for lunch today, we have pepperoni pizza, breaded chicken breast sandwich, grilled cheese sandwich, mini corn dogs, yogurt box, baked beans, fresh baby carrots, peaches, and raisins.
Happy birthday to Brian Harvey and Kevin Nguyen.
And shout out to everybody who came and helped or just came to watch at Jazz Fest on Saturday. You guys are awesome.
Shout out to the Hoover Orchestra and the Hoover Advanced Theater Arts Program for the Once Upon a Melody concert last Thursday. Make it a great day, Hoover.
Be a positive change and remember the Hoover way.